everyone, welcome back or welcome for the first time to another Live and Learn Italian experience with me, Raffaella, your Italian tutor and founder of Languages Alive. Today is all about how not to look like a tourist when visiting Italy, and of course we will learn some Italian related to clothing and shoes. And also I'm going to share some tips to help you out experiencing a stress-free vacation in Italy. So are you ready to start? Siete pronti? Before, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any Live and Learn Italian experiences. Ok, pronti? Iniziamo. Let's start.
So first tip is not head-to-toe sportswear, which we say in Italian abbigliamento sportivo. By all means, these are only suggestions. You are of course free to wear whatever suits you. However, I believe these tips will leave you less susceptible of being targeted as a tourist and ultimately will help you out to have a stress-free vacation and live a more authentic Italian experience. Also, these tips will be valuable for ensuring that you are able to visit every landmark that you want to. So forget gym clothes, tuta da ginnastica, magliette da palestra, scarpe da ginnastica designed to be used at the gym, and no are shorts, pantaloncini, maglietta lunga bianca, calzini bianchi, and again gym trainers or sneakers. So this kind of scarpe da ginnastica. You risk to be turned away from the fantastic tourist attractions Italy offers, like for instance Musei Vaticani, Palazzo Ducale in Venice, or you can be refused entry to restaurants and cafes. So better not to risk it and updress a little bit. Like in the picture, in winter let's opt for a casual smart outfit con cappello da donna, blouse, camicia, maglioncino, sweatshirt e cappotto. In summertime, opt for a summer dress, vestito estivo, which should cover your shoulders and your knees so you won't be turned away from churches, for example. So here we see another casual smart winter outfit with cappotto, maglioncino, pantaloni neri, borsa a tracolla e scarpe, which we call ballerine. They have no heel whatsoever. For a more casual look, opt for giubbotto, jeans with no rips, maglione, stivaletto a tacco basso e borsa. When visiting a new city, we walk a lot and therefore we need to wear comfortable shoes. Swap your athletic sneakers with slick sneakers like those in the last two pictures. Second tip, a massive no are baseball caps, especially those with American teams on them. They are usually a dead giveaway that you are a tourist, even though you can see more youngsters wearing them more often. Try and swap that with a more classic hat, cappello. So we see cappello da donna e cappello da uomo. Here we go, third tip, backpacks, zainetti in Italian. Now, backpacks are very easy to travel with, they're very comfortable because they're hands-free, and carrying something on your back is a lot easier than carrying something on your arm. But I believe when visiting a really populated city, you should avoid a backpack because it makes you an easy target for pickpockets. Pay extra attention if you ever get on crowded city buses like number 64 in Rome, for instance. Instead, opt for a crossbody bag, borsa a tracolla, which is hand-free, but you can also swing it around to your front so you can keep your hands on it and guard it. You can also reach in quicker and get whatever you need, like passport, purse, keys, and so on. So we got to the fourth tip, uncomfortable shoes. Avoid uncomfortable shoes with high heels, tacchi alti, even though you will definitely see Italian women out and about in heels. I think as a general rule when traveling you'll be walking a lot, so it's better to pack comfortable footwear that still looks nice. You don't want to go too casual, but at the same time you don't want to kill your feet. You can opt for slick sneakers as I mentioned earlier, or if you want to wear something more dressy, you can go for ankle boots with low heels, stivaletti con tacco basso. They will help you to secure your foot and make sure that you don't wobble around, and at the same time they will give you a little bit of height. In summer, I would suggest wearing wedges if you want to dress up slightly. And remember, Italy is an old country, so you will find uneven pavements and you surely will walk on cobblestone streets that we call San Pietrini, which are almost everywhere in Italy, especially in historic landmarks. So last thing you want really is to hurt yourself. So opt for comfortable footwear, a lot easier and a lot safer. Allora amici, we got to the end of this video, but there's still so much to learn. So subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for the next video with the big no-nos of Italian fashion. Grazie mille and I will see you next time. Ciao ciao!